What's up guys, I'm J Marie and I'm back with another video. This time I want to give you guys an update on my piercing. It has now been 8 months since I pierced my own nose at home right here in this bathroom using the Amazon piercing kit. So today I thought I would come on and give you guys an update, and everything's going good. I have had no problems whatsoever other than occasional rip outs, but those weren't too bad. I still have the same ring in my nose that I pierced my nose with. And it's because I cannot find a ring that I'm comfortable with or a ring that fits good, because I do have skin that does get allergic to nickel and things like that. So this one is real surgical steel. That's why I always go back to this one, because it does not irritate my skin. Guys, comment down below if you do have any good places where I can get a nose ring. I have been on the search for a good one and I cannot find one, so that's why I still have my Holy Grail, the one I pierced my nose with, and it does not have a back on it. It is sharp on the back, but somehow I have gotten used to that. It does not bother me at all. The piercing is fully healed, no pain, no discomfort whatsoever at all when I push it up, push it down, none of that. But the reason why I wanted to come on here is to show you guys how I remove it. I'm getting ready to remove this ring so I can clean it really good. It's been a while since I've done that. And so today I wanted to show you guys how I do that, because I have been getting so many questions. How do you take it out? How do you take it out? So I want to show you guys how I remove it and place it back in. So yeah, I know the piercing in the back is tapered, but do not worry about that. It would not be a problem when taking it out. So I already washed my hands and I went ahead and washed my face. I like to remove my piercing when I'm washing my face, but sake of the video, I'm not going to wash my full face, but I'll show you guys me just washing around the piercing and how I'll go about removing it. I suggest a mild cleanser. I usually use CeraVe, but today I'm using the Pacifica Cosmo Hemp, and this is still like a natural mild cleanser, which I've really been loving. So make sure it's like a liquid cleanser. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump some of this in my hand and just get it real sudsy. I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see, but I got some really good suds on my hands, and I just like to get that bad boy real sudsy. So you're just gonna suds it up real good, and also you can just put some in the back. It's not gonna hurt you, girl. It's soap, so, and it don't have any perfumes or chemicals in it that are toxic or harmful, so don't worry. So make sure you do have like one that's like that. So I soap it up really good, and then I just pull it out just like that. Look, it's out. Look how easy it came out, but it's yucky. It's got boogies and all type of stuff. That's why I like to take it out and give it a good cleanse time from time, and it does not hurt, guys. It does not hurt. I just want you to see the ring. Look how tiny that little taper end. It's not huge. So I'm cleaning it up really good. I'm using the soap on my hands to, you know, get the piercing, clean the ring up really good. Now I got it all cleaned up really good. My piercing is clean. I'm gonna let it towel dry. I'm gonna dry it right here on the towel. But while it's drying, I'm gonna take my spring water and I'm gonna take some sea salt, and I'm just gonna put some of that in my water. Then I'm taking a Q-tip right here and I'm gonna mix it up really good. I'm just gonna go over that hole and clean it up really good. Make sure I get inside my nose, get any boogers. There is a little bleeding. Don't be afraid of the blood, because you still gotta think about it's still tissue there. So bleeding will be normal. It's nice and clean, and I just do that a couple times. Just go in and I don't know if you can even see the hole. Go in, just clean all around there. Just, that's the thing with these piercings. You want to make sure you keep them clean, because bacteria comes when the surface is not clean. So now that I got it nice and clean, I'm gonna actually go back in with my soap. The soap just a little slip. It gives you that slip so you don't have that roughness, and that's what causes the pain when it's rough and it's pulling against it. So I'm just soaping it up again. So you just soap it up again. I'm going back in on my ring. Just finding where my hold is. And I'm just gonna push it back in. Just like that. So easy and simple, and that was pain free. It's in there all the way through. No problems. Girl, now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash all the soap off my face. All right, I went ahead and washed all the soap off my face. The piercing is back in, and it can really move. It's not gunky like it was before. I can easily push it up, push it down, spin it around. And guys, that is pretty much it. Super easy. It only took me probably, what, 2 minutes to do that. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.